Trail Critter RC. Many of you know us as the small team that likes rock crawling. We live in the trails, we live in the woods, we like crawling over rocks. Crawlers, crawlers, and more crawlers. We even have a couple monster trucks, and believe it or not, a thing that flies. But every now and then we get something really unusual in the mix. Something that almost doesn't belong in the fleet. We like off-road, we like going through creeks, over rocks, through mud, but never anything that belongs on pavement. Until now. Enter Project Oddball. Definitely not a trail truck. I had to try. I knew it wasn't meant for the trails, but I had to try. And let's put it where it belongs on the pavement, shall we? Well, there she is, folks. Project Oddball, all finished and running. We're going to pick this video back up in the cave, but I just want to give you a quick little tour around. It is the MO6, MO6RL, whatever. I don't remember. It's been such a long time since I've actually looked at the box. All the build videos were shot over the course of a weekend. So they've been uploaded and scheduled ever since, when did we start this? In April? But yeah, there's a few things that still need to be done on it cosmetically, but other than that, it's running. And that's the important part. So we will pick this back up in the cave, and I will tell you what I think. Welcome back to the cave. So, what are my final thoughts on Project Oddball? The MO6L. Here it is, folks. It's here. Okay. It's dusty. I actually tried to take it down a trail, and it was an epic fail, which I sort of knew. It's not one of those trucks. It's not one of these guys. I have two missing because we were up at Warsaw. That video is coming soon. What do I think of it? Well, it was fun built. It was definitely different from what I'm used to. Will it be the only Tamiya build? As of right now, yes. I'm sorry. Will I build another one in due time? I have, I'm going to say, a classified project. A little bit of a conspiracy there. It's a classified project. Don't know when it's going to happen, but it's going to happen. All I will say is it is not an on-road car. So Project Oddball may be the only on-road car in the fleet. I know I said in the build series I was interested in some other on-road cars, and that is true, but I'm in no rush to get those. Not all of them are Tamiyas, so as of right now, Project Oddball is the only on-road car. Alright? There, said it. So, the good. It is a fun build. It is an easy build. It is an inexpensive build. The bad. Okay. Some of you might think I'm ripping on Tamiya here. And it's not the case. It's not the case. Because, I mean, I can sit here and rip on it all day and just spew out just garbage for you. But the honest truth that from a first-time Tamiya builder is I can see how they were an industry leader at one time. What I believe is they need to up their game. Yes, I know there's kids out there that have hex screws and ball bearings, and I get that. Alright? But it's 2020. To me, this build was like a notch above. Where are you? You're not even in the picture. A notch above my Radio Shack truck that is built with bushings and Phillips head screws. It's a notch above it. So for me, yes, it is a hobby grade car. It is. But yes, you can get ball bearings and stuff. I understand that. But why? Why don't the ball bearings don't cost that much to me? I just throw them in the kit. Be done with it. Everybody does it. Yes, I didn't build mine with ball bearings. I left it with the bushings. Sorry, I'm going to build the kit how it came. That's just it. Anyways, we're not here to rip on it because I do enjoy the car. I did enjoy building it. It had some flaws. My body posts, I had mismatched body posts. They were different thicknesses. So I had to get that rectified. The reason I didn't get much footage runtime today was it fell apart. Fell apart. So it's a lot more fragile than what I'm used to. And again, that's not a shot at Tamiya. It's not something, not something I'm used to. And some of you might comment, say, "Oh, you just didn't build it correctly." Well, it's kind of hard to screw up two screws. They just, no matter how tight I make these, this thing falls off. And I'm gonna look into that. We'll figure it out. And no, it's not gonna be a shelf queen. It is gonna get driven. How often is to be determined. So when will we see Project Oddball next? Well, I still have plans for it. The vehicle isn't officially done in my books. I would like to get an interior. I still gotta paint the canvas top. It does have a canvas top. I just quickly painted it. I'm gonna do like a flat black, or maybe even actually put actual canvas up here. I haven't decided yet. There's a few other cosmetic things, like I didn't put in the stickers. I'm gonna fix those up, and there's little pieces I haven't put on there yet. But as of right now, it is finished, and I do have some other videos planned for it. When they'll debut, time will tell. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this series, and if you did, let me know. If you didn't, also let me know. It is one of the lower viewed video series on my channel, so I get it. Maybe you guys just aren't into the whole build stuff, or maybe it's just the fact that it's an on-road car and you guys came to see crawlers and, well, be starting to get into monster trucks. And I get that. So let me know your feedback. I take that feedback. I read everyone's comments. I try to reply to everyone's comments. I take that, and it gives me a general idea of what you guys want to see, what you guys want to watch, for me to produce other videos. So, as always, guys, get out there, have some fun, and happy trails.